From the moment of birth, the inexorable march of time escorts us towards the inevitable twilight of old age. Yet, nestled within the human spirit resides an unyielding desire for eternal youth, an undying flame that has ignited imaginations and fueled quests through the annals of history. The embodiment of this ageless aspiration finds its most enchanting expression in the legend of the Fountain of Youth, a mythical oasis said to harbor the power to restore youthful vigor to those who partake in its mystical waters. The allure of the Fountain of Youth is more than a mere whimsical fancy, it's a reflection of the profound human yearning for vitality, longevity, and the defiance of the natural arc of existence. This elusive fountain, shrouded in the mists of legend, has beckoned adventurers, kings, and dreamers to embark on perilous journeys through uncharted lands, each soul enticed by the tantalizing promise of a life renewed, a destiny unbound by the shackles of time. The narrative of the Fountain of Youth is a rich tapestry woven with threads of hope, ambition, and the quintessential quest for transcendence. It's a tale that transcends cultural and temporal boundaries, reiterating the universal allure of eternal youthfulness, a desire as ancient as the whisper of time itself. In this expedition of words, we shall traverse the verdant landscapes of myth and the rugged terrains of reality, embarking on a voyage to unravel the enigma of the Fountain of Youth. Along the way, we shall delve into the annals of history, unearthing real pursuits of youthfulness that course through the veins of bygone eras. Our journey will also lead us through the corridors of modern science, where the quest for youth continues, albeit garbed in the robes of empirical inquiry and technological innovation. As we set forth on this captivating exploration, we invite you to reflect on the enduring fascination with youthfulness, a theme that has not only shaped legends but also driven the indomitable spirit of inquiry that propels humanity forward in the ceaseless quest for understanding the quintessence of existence. The Legend of the Fountain of Youth. The Fountain of Youth, a mythical wellspring purported to possess the rejuvenating essence of eternal youth, has been a tantalizing lore that has bewitched the human psyche for centuries. The legend, infused with a blend of hope, mystery, and the eternal human yearning for the unattainable, traverses a rich tapestry of cultures, each rendition narrating tales of adventurers and seekers lured by the promise of undoing the weary march of time. The genesis of this legend can be traced back to the ancient chronicles where mystical waters and divine elixirs held promises of immortality and everlasting youth. Herodotus, the ancient Greek historian, wrote of a fountain in the mythical land of Macrobians, whose waters had the power to render a man ageless. Similar tales can be found in the lore of the Alexander romance, where Alexander the Great and his servant were said to have journeyed in search of the water of life. The legend gained substantial traction during the Age of Exploration, entwined with the tales of the New World. Among the most iconic figures associated with the legend is the Spanish explorer Juan Ponce de León, rumored to have embarked on a quest to discover the Fountain of Youth during his expedition to Florida in 1513. While historical scrutiny reveals that the quest for the fountain was likely a fabrication embellished in later narratives, the tale has become a historical touchstone, forever linking Ponce de León with the legendary fountain. The lore of the Fountain of Youth is not confined to the Western narrative but is a global mythos. In Eastern folklore, similar tales of mystical springs and elixirs of immortality abound, illustrating a universal allure transcending geographical and cultural bounds. The imagery of a fountain with rejuvenating waters continues to symbolize the human desire for a panacea against the inexorable tide of aging. It's a dream of defiance against the natural order, a hope that somewhere within the realms of the unknown lies a promise of eternal youth, waiting to be discovered. The legend of the Fountain of Youth, resplendent in its allure, not only narrates the tales of bygone adventurers but also reflects the timeless human endeavor to transcend the limitations imposed by mortality. It's a legend that, despite the advances of science and the passage of time, continues to hold a mirror to the eternal human quest for the arcane and the enduring desire to touch the essence of the infinite. Historical pursuits of youth and immortality. The narrative of the Fountain of Youth is but one chapter in humanity's long-standing preoccupation with youth and immortality. Across the ages, civilizations have ventured on quests, both literal and metaphorical, to defy the ravages of time and attain a state of perpetual youthfulness. From ancient alchemists to royal patrons, the aspiration to halt or reverse the aging process has spurred countless expeditions, experiments, and explorations. In ancient civilizations, the concept of immortality and the quest for eternal youth were often intertwined with religious beliefs and mythological tales. The Greeks narrated tales of ambrosia, the food or drink of the gods, which bestowed immortality, while the Chinese alchemists sought elixirs of life to attain a state of perpetual youthfulness. These quests, although veiled in mysticism and folklore, underscore a profound human aspiration and a sense of wonder towards the unknown. The medieval period saw the rise of alchemy, a precursor to modern chemistry, where practitioners sought to discover the philosopher's stone, believed to have the power to transmute base metals into gold and grant eternal life. The allure of a life-extending substance fueled centuries of alchemical experiments, bridging the mystic with the early stirrings of empirical inquiry. As time progressed, the pursuit of youth and immortality began to transcend myth and mysticism, gradually entering the realm of scientific exploration. The Enlightenment era marked a shift, as the foundations of modern science were laid, heralding a transition from mystical quests to empirical investigations into the nature of aging. The narrative of seeking eternal youth continued into the modern era, albeit with a shift in focus from mystical elixirs to scientific inquiry and medical advancements. The 20th century saw the emergence of gerontology as a scientific discipline, marking a significant milestone in the historical pursuit of youth and immortality. The exploration of hormones, the discovery of vitamins, and the advent of modern medicine offered new avenues to explore the mechanisms of aging and potential interventions to extend health and vitality. The narrative had transitioned from seeking mythical fountains and alchemical elixirs to exploring molecular and cellular mechanisms underlying aging. As we reflect on the historical pursuits of youth and immortality, the enduring allure of the fountain of youth serves as a symbol, a metaphorical representation of a timeless human aspiration. The journey from ancient mythological quests to modern scientific explorations encapsulates the relentless human endeavor to unravel the mysteries of life, aging, and the quest for a state of enduring youthfulness. Modern interpretations and searches. The quest for the fountain of youth has evolved beyond the mystical, ushering in an era where the allure of eternal youth drives scientific inquiry and innovation. As the narrative transitions from legend to laboratory, the modern-day endeavors embody the age-old aspiration for vitality, now grounded in the realms of molecular biology, genomics, and regenerative medicine. The field of gerontology, dedicated to unraveling the mysteries of aging, has burgeoned, offering glimpses into the complex interplay of genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors that orchestrate the aging process. The quest now transcends the allure of a mythical fountain, morphing into rigorous scientific investigations aimed at unlocking the molecular and cellular mechanisms underlying aging. The groundbreaking discoveries in the realm of genetics, particularly the mapping of the human genome, have heralded a new era in the quest for youthfulness. The understanding of telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of chromosomes, and their role in cellular aging, along with the exploration of various genes associated with longevity, have propelled the quest from the realm of the mystical to the cusp of tangible scientific discoveries. Moreover, the fusion of regenerative medicine with cutting-edge biotechnology holds the promise of rejuvenating aged tissues and organs. The burgeoning field of stem cell research, tissue engineering, and cellular reprogramming aims to restore or replace damaged cells and tissues, potentially ameliorating the effects of aging and age-related diseases. Pharmacological interventions, too, are part of this modern-day quest. Compounds such as rapamycin, metformin, and resveratrol, which have shown potential in extending lifespan and healthspan in preclinical models, are under rigorous investigation for their potential benefits in humans. The convergence of biotechnology with artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning is accelerating the pace of research in the field of aging. Advanced computational models and AI-driven analysis are enabling researchers to delve deeper into the biological intricacies of aging, fostering a better understanding and potentially heralding interventions to extend healthspan. However, as the modern quest for youthfulness burgeons, it beckons a host of ethical, social, and philosophical questions. The implications of significantly extended lifespans on societal structures, resources, and the philosophical contemplations on the natural human lifespan are crucial aspects of the discourse surrounding the modern pursuits of youth and immortality. The modern interpretation of the quest for the fountain of youth, now immersed in empirical evidence and driven by scientific innovation, continues to captivate human imagination. As researchers endeavor to push the boundaries of what's possible in extending human longevity, the age-old allure of the fountain of youth seems more real yet complex, urging a thoughtful and ethically grounded approach towards the dream of extended youth and longevity. Reality check: the science of aging. The mystique surrounding the fountain of youth has captivated human imagination for centuries, embodying the profound desire to halt the inexorable march of time. However, as the veil of mythology lifts, and the lens of science focuses on the reality of aging, a complex, multifaceted biological process unveils. The transition from legend to scientific inquiry signifies a monumental shift, where the whimsical quest for eternal youth converges with the pragmatic pursuit of extending health and lifespan. Aging, a natural yet intricate process, entwines a myriad of genetic, molecular, and cellular mechanisms. It's a journey marked by cellular senescence, telomere shortening, oxidative stress, and the gradual accumulation of molecular and cellular damage. The modern-day quest for youthfulness, now grounded in scientific rigor, seeks to unravel these complex mechanisms, aiming to ameliorate age-associated decline and extend health span, the period of life spent in good health. The vanguard of anti-aging research, armed with the tools of molecular biology, genomics, and regenerative medicine, embarks on a quest laden with promise yet fraught with challenges. As researchers delve into the mysteries of aging, exploring the realms of cellular reprogramming, gene editing, and pharmacological interventions, a glimmer of hope emerges. The discovery of longevity-associated genes, the potential of senolytic drugs to clear senescent cells, and the promise of telomerase therapies to extend telomeres, represent burgeoning avenues of research aimed at mitigating the ravages of time. Yet, as the horizon of anti-aging research broadens, a cascade of ethical, moral, and societal questions looms. The potential to extend lifespan beckons a thorough examination of the implications such interventions may harbor. It challenges society to contemplate the equitable distribution of life-extending therapies, the societal ramifications of an extended lifespan, and the philosophical and moral dilemmas entwined with the power to alter the natural aging process. Moreover, the quest underscores the imperative for rigorous clinical trials to evaluate the safety and efficacy of potential anti-aging interventions. It mandates a stringent evidence-based approach to ensure that the pursuit of youthfulness is navigated with caution, ethical integrity, and a profound understanding of the broader implications. The narrative of the Fountain of Youth, once a whimsical tale, now finds resonance in the laboratories where the quest for understanding aging and extending health span unfolds. As science strides closer to deciphering the code of aging, the legend of the Fountain of Youth continues to inspire. Impact and reflection. The journey from the legend of the Fountain of Youth to today's scientific pursuits of extending health and lifespan is a testament to human curiosity and aspiration. The enduring allure of eternal youth has not only fueled countless explorations and tales but has also spurred scientific inquiries into the very nature of aging. The legend, transcending cultures and eras, reflects a deep-rooted human desire for vitality and a relentless quest for understanding the mysteries of life and death. The impact of this legend, and the subsequent quest for eternal youth, resonates through the corridors of time, influencing art, literature, and science. Its traces are evident in the myriad of explorations undertaken by adventurers of the past, the allegorical tales spun around it, and the aesthetic and scientific endeavors driven by the desire to defy aging. The modern-day narrative of this quest has transitioned into laboratories and research facilities, where scientists and researchers endeavor to unravel the biological underpinnings of aging and seek interventions to extend health span. As we reflect upon the legend and its modern-day interpretations, a canvas of philosophical, ethical, and societal considerations unveils. The potential of extending human lifespan beckons a thorough examination of the ethical implications, societal readiness, and the moral dimensions of such profound interventions. It challenges us to contemplate the essence of life, the acceptance of mortality, and the responsibilities entailed in wielding the power to potentially alter the natural course of aging. Furthermore, the quest underscores the importance of fostering public discourse on the advancements in anti-aging research and the ethical considerations inherent in them. It invites a dialogue amongst policymakers, researchers, ethicists, and the wider public to navigate the complex landscape of ethical, social, and existential questions that emerge. The legend of the Fountain of Youth, with its enduring allure, continues to be a powerful narrative driving human imagination, scientific inquiry, and philosophical reflection. As we stand at the juncture of potentially revolutionary advancements in anti-aging research, the legend prompts us to approach the future with a blend of hope, caution, and a deep sense of ethical responsibility, ensuring that the quest for extended youthfulness is navigated with wisdom and a profound understanding of its broader implications on humanity. The narrative of the Fountain of Youth, from its mythical allure to the tangible strides in anti-aging research, reflects the quintessential human yearning for transcending mortality. As we stride into an era where the dream of prolonged youth might morph into reality, a reflective discourse on the essence and ethos of such a pursuit becomes ever more pertinent. The legend of the Fountain of Youth, thus, continues to resonate, its echoes reverberating through the corridors of science, ethics, and the collective human imagination.